ሰላም ሰላም ፍትዋትን ክቡራትን ተኸታተልትን ኣብዚ መደብ እንኳን ደሓን መጻእኩም። ናይ ሎሚ ትምህርትና መሕተቲ ቃላት ወይ ከዓ ሓተቲ ቃላት ብእንግሊሽ the question words. The question words. How do we ask questions? Can we ask correct questions in Tigrinya? That is what we are going to see tonight. But please subscribe, share, and like the channel. بمقباركم الزنا نمسكنكم. Okay, let's get started. تفكر حتوتات كتحتت تخلدو here. تفكر حتوتات كتحتت تخلدو. If your answer is yes, good. If not, لومي كنا مهارينا مالتي. انتاي كنرينا لومي انتاي زي بالقال. انتاي means what. I have given two examples here. انتاي تقبل اللغة. Present continuous tense. What are you doing? انتاي تقبل اللغة. Number two. انتاي يدري زودي. What does he want? Okay. Two examples for انتاي. انتاي تقبل اللغة. انتاي يدري زودي. Okay. كلاي أبي. Second question word. أبي. أبي means where. Where. Examples. أبي تنبر اللغة. أبي تنبر اللغة. أبزق زيزي. لومي. Where are you living? Where are you living at present now? Second example. Tamali. Nabe Abe Ketka. Nabe and Abe are almost the same, but they have a slight difference. Nabe shows place and movement. Abe shows only place. So Tamali Abe Ketka or Tamali Nabe Ketka. Where did you go yesterday? Okay. Salisai, sir, question word is Kamei. How? Kamei, how? Example, Kamei halif kayo tugzi. How did you pass the time? How did you pass the time? Kamei halif kayo tugzi. Past tense, it is past tense. Number two, Kamei ger ka serih kayo. How did you do it? Let us say we are talking about homework. So I can ask, how did you do it? Can you show me? Okay. Kunday means how many and how much. Kunday, how many or how much. How many is used with nouns that we can count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is used with words that we cannot count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, let us say the first sentence. كندي أحوات اللوخة. كندي أحوات. How many brothers do you have? Now, here we have used how many, not how much. How many? Because brothers, the word brother is countable. One brother, two brothers, three brothers, you can count. The second example is uncountable. معالتاوي كندي ما يتستي ما يكون قطرين خلينا وجه لما تحاجي انت زي كوينو ماي اقول لك قطرين هذا ما يكون تماي بحالدي ስለዚህ how much water do you drink daily? How much? You cannot say how many water because water is uncountable. We cannot count. Okay. كبرات تخاتات العيش مدب إذا تمرتي بتفكر رداءكم كله تسفار قبل حجي انتاي تماهيركم الله لو مشيت انتاي بإنجليشن بتقرينيا قلنا لكم لنا كالا اي ابي where the show's place sorry يا ابي ثالثاي كمي هاو رابعي كا كندي إذا تمرتي داكم كله تسفان قبل this is what we have for today. I will see you in the next video. Please never forget to subscribe, share and like. معنا على حاجزي انت تابعكمنا خلال ما تابعنا كان نقل لكم سلام المالتي. Thank you. يغني اللي يمسكنكم.